Today's episode is 87 reacts to Sayu snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore, but she destroyed it. And this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 87. Sorry for not reacting to snore replacements because there are a few endless numbers 10s remaining. But this is the first reaction occurred in season 5. Apparently, I'll react to Sayu's snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore, but now this is getting more worse. Well anyways, let's reject it.
Sleep tight.
Oh my lord. What a huge foe. Time to reject you. The screen is already black. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 443.